Now, how do we see it in practical action? For example, we have a student who tells us, I don't believe in God. Okay, how do we react to this person? Do we immediately try to disprove intellectually why the other person does not believe in God? Or do we try to understand what was the story or what is the story of this person that led to that? Right? So if we recognize the other person as a person, we will not turn them as projects in our heads. What do we mean by projects? Okay, this person, I will convert you. I will talk to you so that eventually you will see the world as I do because you're wrong. I am right. Disposition, my dear friends. So if we are approaching our students in this way, St. Edith Stein is challenging us. Recognize your students, where they're coming from, and start journeying with them from where they are. So, does that make sense?